Welcome to ledlight.com. This is product number 97412, a Beehive style, side marker and clearance light. 2 inches in height. Ideal for cars, buses, tow trucks, work vehicles, big rigs, transportation vehicles, public work vehicles, government work vehicles, or anything else in need of this style of light. Lens is made of polycarbonate, for extra durability. Available in amber only. Operates on 10 to 30 volts. DOT and Emark certified. Can be used with a PVC grommet, or an ABS flange, sold separately. Standard 2-pin weather-tight connection. Be sure to like and share this video, and subscribe today for more ledlight.com news. Thanks for watching.